Has adjustable heads, drill heads to make the holes whichever size you want. I just now found a notebook so I could find out what exactly the correct spacing is for regular loose leaf notebooks. So we're going to give it a try. This is the second run. You can see I already tried punching holes and it worked just fine, but we're going to give it the second go. There's a switch on the side, has a foot lever, and you put the paper in place, push the foot lever, which lifts everything, and you just nice and easily push it right on up. It goes right through the paper like so. Okay, we'll reach over here and we'll turn it off. And we'll pull our paper out, and there you go. So we went through probably 100 to 150 sheets of paper. It will cut to 2 inches thick, which I'm presuming is about 400, maybe 500 sheets of paper, which is where we are with the Santa book. So it will be perfect. We're going to give it a try on cardstock. As you can see, I have cardstock there, and see how it does. This is just some scrap, so I'm just going to go through like a peach. So any stuff I'll need to do with cardstock, if I need to do it, it drills right through it. I want to try PVC. I'm going to get a piece of PVC. 1/8 inch PVC. I got a strong suspicion it's going to work just fine, but we're going to give it a try just to see. Bada bing. How about that?